Dear all, I welcome you to my new video of poem Wind, taken from class 9 Beehive. The poet of this poem is Subramania Bharati. He was an outstanding Indian writer of the nationalist period. He has been regarded as the father of the modern Tamil style. Subramania Bharati was born on December 11, 1882 and died on September 12, 1921. Let's have a look at the description of the poem. This poem was translated from Tamil by A.K. Ramanujan, a Kannada and English poet. The poem Wind depicts the problems one faces in life and how the weak succumb easily to them, while the strong can face them bravely without being crushed. The theme of the poem Wind is that it inspires us to face the challenges thrown at us with grit and firm determination. We should be strong enough to face all the hardships of life with courage. The wind symbolizes the problems and obstacles that we all can face and go through some point of time in our lives. It is a satire on the human weakness and the power of strong humor. Now we are going to have the stanza-wise explanation of the poem. Wind, come soft. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. In these lines, the poet depicts the destruction caused by the wind. The poet appeals to the wind to be gentle, requests the wind not to break the shutters of the windows, not to scatter the papers or throw the books off the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. The poet reprimands the wind for the mess it has caused in the house. The wind has not only thrown the book but also torn the pages, which means that the books cannot be read. The poet, he looks out of the shattered window and accuses the wind of bringing more rain. The rainwater can cause further damage to mess in the room as it enters the room through the broken shutters. The storm of the gusty wind signifies the turmoil and trouble in our life. You are very clever at poking fun at weakness. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, and crumbling ground. Crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind god winnows and crushes them. The poet, in a subdued tone, accuses the wind of troubling the weak and the fragile. The wind tears down the doors, rafters, and even the entire wooden house. The situation idiomatically implies that the troubles in life come as suddenly as the wind, causing destruction and leaving behind devastation. He won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make the heart stay firm. Do this, and the wind will be friends with us. The poet states that the wind is too egoistic. He will not listen to any appeal. So it is for us to protect ourselves. We must build strong structures with firm foundations so the wind can neither harm nor penetrate. We must further make ourselves physically and mentally strong to be able to face the ill effects of the wind. If we can do this, then the wind can neither frighten nor harm us. The wind can become our friends. The poet wants to convey the message that if we are strong-willed, we can face all the hurdles or troubles in life easily. On the other hand, if we are weak, then we will be surrounded by strong forces and be downtrodden and eventually be destroyed. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires roar and ravage. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. Here in these lines, the poet describes the merits and demerits. He says the merit is that it can blow down weak fires, but if the fire is burning fiercely, then it will make it burn with a stronger force and more power. The poet concludes that the wind is a friend to the strong, but will be the enemy to the weak who fall prey to its force. Metaphorically speaking, we can overcome all our troubles, only we can build a strong character. The poet invokes us to sing devotional songs in praise of the wind, for motivating us to be more strong to face the challenges in life. Now let us look at the various poetic devices used in the poem. Here we will see the entire poem is a metaphor because it ends on a note of application to humanity to stand against all the ravages, natural or man-made. Next is the poetic device which we find here is personification. The poet refers the wind as you, as if it is a human. It regards it as if it is a friend. Then we find that the wind is also personified as a god. The wind is personified as a friend. The wind is personified as, on the whole, a human being. We also have another poetic device. A new one, it is anaphora. It means the repetition of the same verb in successive lines. Here we find the repetition of the word don't, the repetition of the word you, the repetition of the word let's. Above all, the poem has been written in free verse. Hope you must have understood this poem quite clearly and the concept